Hey guys, so I decided I'm gonna vlog this trip. We're in a boat, as you can see, and we're leaving to go to Key West to run away from Dorian, the hurricane. And my dad had to take this boat out of Palm Beach anyways, so we decided we're just gonna go. And so we already left, and we're already back to the docks because there was barnacles on the props, so now they have to jump in and scrape them off for us to go. So this is gonna be a fun ride, let me tell you.
Down to the ocean floor. I'm still drinking from the night before.
Mark Neary to the rescue! Got the hookah rig, some tanks.
Hook it up, right?
Scrape these barnacles off.
What's going on?
Far away. I've never lived before today. It's been a while.
So, been sitting here for about 30 minutes and they're still trying to scrape the barnacles off, so see how it is. The wind is only picking up, so the ocean's only going to be rougher when we get out there, so we'll see. Okay, take number 2. Let's see what we got. Captain Dave over here.
Let's get all this stuff's gotta go away.
Well, it's pretty rough. I decided I'm gonna hide out in here and try and sleep it out. So, wish us luck. So I'm literally shaking right now. I was literally just asleep and my dad comes rushing down here and one of the hoses popped off in the engine room and it was gushing water. To Key West, finally, 10 hours later, but it's beautiful out.
River. When you're on your own, I didn't know I was lost, but now our paths have crossed.
So just getting ready for dinner here, super excited, it's beautiful, couldn't beat it, even though it was a long day coming down here. So just sat down at dinner with my plus one.
I do it all for you.
Out exploring today.
Wake me up, I'm still dreaming, and show me the way. I didn't know what to believe.
Off to dinner with the crew.
I'll be falling. Do it all, I do it all for you.
May or may not have gotten some candy. I love sour candies. So hot. Feels good because I'm about to go do some misters.
I'll sing a song for you.
Hurricane Center in Key West, starting to feel the effects of Hurricane Dorian here. Winds probably 25 to 30 miles per hour. Seas a bit choppy.